Editing is one of the most important steps when making a YouTube video. And today I am gonna be showing you how to become a pro within one day. Today we'll be talking about adding your own music and about some custom effects. So why don't we get started? So firstly you go to your browser and you type in suno.ai. It's a very good software that makes music for you, which is good because you spare so much time and you won't get a copyright strike for it because it's completely free and it's copyright basically. Now after you did it, you click on create and you type in anything you want in here. I'm gonna type something like a custom music for my gaming YouTube channel. I'm gonna type it really quick, and after you did it, you will click on instrumental. Basically if you click it, then there won't be a voice in the background, but if you don't click it, then there will be a music in the background. I mean voice in the background, which is bad. Now after you did it, you click on create, and as you can see, these musics are gonna load for a little bit because it takes a little bit for the software to make the music. As you can see, it's called level up reloaded. Now I turned that on, and as you can see, this is what the music is like. Now let's say you wanna download this music. That's pretty easy. All you gotta do is click on those three dots, then click on download, and then click on audio. And then the music should go on your file explorer automatically. Now you find the music in your file explorer and you just add it into CapCut or whatever you're using. And that's pretty much it for like the music, but now we will go to the effects. Alright, now if you wanna add your own custom effect, you gotta type your effect, the type of effect you want. Now I'm gonna type in something like Minecraft TNT explosion effect because it's like very family friendly and it's very good. Now after you found a good custom effect, I'm gonna click on it and wait. I don't want this ad, be right back. Alright, now I'm back, and as you can see, I got my animation. Click on full screen and then you just record it. Alright, I found a video. Now I'm gonna turn the volume down because it's kinda annoying. Now you add it over here and the effect goes up here. Now you're gonna do this. Now if you wanna like change it to something else, I'm just gonna split it and I don't know, at another moment. So as you can see, it looks like that now. And I want it to like have a custom effect, so I go like this. Then I look if it goes like, I want it to change at this like really white moment when you don't see anything like that. So I go like this. We gotta see if it looks good. As you can see, we still see some stuff. Maybe if you do this. Now, as you can see, it's completely white. You don't see anything. What about now? As you can see, it looks pretty good. And I love it. Like, it looks great. You just gotta find the right timing and it'll look good. Now of course you can use these custom transition or effects on CapCut if you have it, and you can add these, but if there's not the custom effect you are looking for, then I just go to YouTube and I'd find the right effects that I want. Because I remember when I started YouTube and there weren't these like effects, I ain't using this app for like my editing software, but this one is like the coolest one and the one that most people use, so I wanted to use this one for this video. You can use some of these, but I remember when I started YouTube and there weren't like the effects I wanted, so I just went to YouTube, I recorded the video and I recorded the effect I wanted and I basically just edited it like that, and it looked kinda like something like that. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. You just gotta find the right timing. Now after you did that, you should be done. And you can add the music in the background if you want to, that's pretty easy. So basically you go over here, you add any music you want. I'm gonna add level up reloaded, and the music is in the background. Now you don't hear these effects because I turned them off for this video, but yeah. Now I know that this is one of the weirdest ways to make a Roblox thumbnail, but this is usually how I do my thumbnails. I go into a Roblox game, Let's wait until it loads. Then I go like this. So I go right here. I do a screenshot of this. So basically I do this. And after I did that, I go to Canva. Now I go into YouTube thumbnail. I add the picture that I just took. And I add it in here. Then I'm editing it for a little bit, like I'm doing this easy stuff. It's very easy. Then I do this. I know this is not one of the like most procedural. No, this is not like one of those. This is not one of the easiest ways. Like, I mean, this is one of the easiest ways, but it's not like one of the most normal ways. Like, this is one of the most weirdest I found out. Now, this is it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. I tried to make this tutorial as simple and as quick as possible. And I tried putting my efforts to it so you guys will understand everything I did. Now, I used CapCut as the software today, but I don't think that should be a problem in any other software. So I hope I helped you all out, and goodbye.